So this is my another video, and I hope you watched that video. Where time I open this, I'll show you how to use the stencils and how. Now let's take the stencils out. I think I will use this one, and this is my paper. Let's get started. I will put this and take the marker. I will open it. Let's open it. It is string. Wow, lots of colors. I think I will do the heart first. I will do it rainbow color. Red. Now let's do the yellow. Now let's do the yellow, guys. Yellow. Now let's close it so it doesn't get dry. So now guys, let's do the green now. And when you are doing this, you have to hold the stand so the color don't get out. Now we will use blue. It is looking so pretty, guys, right? And if you are having fun watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, and every time when you search my channel, you will have a new and amazing video. Now guys, let's do the outline of this. Now let's take the stand off. Wow guys, it turned out so amazing. This heart is so cute. Let me show you. Wow, such a cute. Now let's do guys, now we will do the flower. And guys, if you like my channel, subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. I will color these. No. Now we will close this. Now we will do the yellow, guys. Put the outline. Hey guys, the flower is really tricky. So let's get it out. It's looking the more like the star, right? Because the flower was really tricky. Guys, now let's do the everything. The circle. Let's do the man. I'm so excited, guys. Are you excited? I'm really excited how it's gonna turn out. This. Guys, this is so amazing, right? I love this game. And you know what? I like the most this heart. And we're doing the flower, it was really tricky. Let's do another color. Just close the gap so it doesn't dry, guys. And now take this. Now we will do the stars. And guys, now let's do the pretty rainbow shape. And don't forget to close the markers so ink doesn't get dry. If the ink gets dry, you can't do the work. And your markers will be all ruined. And if you don't want your markers get ruined, then every time when you use markers and you are done doing work with them, then close it. And if you don't close it, it will never work then. Because ink will be really dry then. Wow guys, this is turning out really good. Now let's do another color. Let's do the blue now. Guys, I'm so happy with having this thing. You know what? I love projects like these. I love doing art. And I have made a snowman, some and a house, and everything for you guys. And for my school subject. And don't forever get the work of the school. You know what? Because I never get to do work of the school because I am from the class 1C. And if you don't do your work, your man gives you a punishment. Because doing the homework is really important. You can do your things after. I have already done my homework. Now guys, now let's take this off. So now you can see the pretty colors. Let's get that. Wow guys, it's so amazing. Look. Wow, it's so cool. Try another stamp. Guys, now let's do the green stamp. The circle. And then the big, small. And the square. And the oval. And this. And this. Now let's do this shape. Now guys, now let's do the cross. Open it. Guys, I think I love the blue color mouse of it. And you know what? I just love this toy. It is so amazing and I love doing craft and things. And every time you're working with sharp tools, so ask someone to help you because safety is always first. Now I think this is enough. Now let's take it up. Wow guys, it's so amazing! I love it! And look, this one, these flowers and the heart is getting all dry. Wow, I like it. Now let's do the blue one. Amazing. Let's do this one. Yeah, this is my favorite one. Put it here. It's just simple. And take the blue marker. This is a big shape, if I say so myself. I think these are enough with blue. Now we will start with the red. In the middle, it will be the red. And close it. Now it will be the green, guys. Now it will be the yellow. Turn. Guys, now let me show you it. Wow guys, it's so amazing. I think guys, we should try the alphabets now. It's just this left. After this, the video will be end. Let's get started. Guys, let's do it with red. Come on. It's really difficult to do it. A. This B C D. Guys, it's so amazing. Let's take it over. Wow, it's so amazing. Let me show you. Wow, look. Wow, wait. Guys, do you know I have a surprise for you? I can make a house. First we need a square. Now we need to close it. Now we will need this. Can you guess what will, if we make the shape, what will be then? Now we need a little circle and use yellow. And after this we have to put some lines. And now we need this tree shape. we need green for the leaves. Now we need the brown for the stem. Now let's close it. Now we need to put some lines like this. Now close it. Now guys, one thing just left. We need some glue. Oh, come on. Oh, sorry. Like this. And like this. Now look, we have a house. Guys, wow, it's so amazing. Let me show you. Wow, we made a house and a tree and a sun-formed shapes. Wow. And these all are made of the help of these stencils. It's so cool, right? So if you like this craft, then subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like these drawings made of these stencils and these markers. And if you like this drawing and my insides and everything, then subscribe to my channel, like to my channel, and press the bell icon that every time I upload a new video, you can have a notification, and tell me in the comments if you like it or not. Okay, bye bye, tata, I love you. Bye bye.